In the scoop that Vogue made, they made famous female celebrities do their own makeup. Some of the celebrities in the feature included Jenner, Drew Barrymore, Harry Neff, Miranda Kerr, Valentina Sampaio, Rita Ora, Priyanka Chopra, Chaka Khan, Grace Hartzell, Paloma Jimenez, and Josephine Scriver. Hi Muse family! Welcome back to our channel once again. How's everyone doing? We hope everyone is feeling great. We are back again with a new, cool, and epic episode about Vogue women beauty secrets. As mentioned, these secrets came from popular celebrities known across the world. In this video, we will show you some of the tips that are highlighted and how to do your makeup and beauty regimen properly daily. Stick through the whole video, and by the end of it, you will find yourself doing the same routine, and you will definitely be as close as these wonderful lady celebrities. Let's start. Vogue is one of the most influential fashion and beauty companies. Many celebrities are associated with Vogue, and whenever there is a new magazine feature, people from all across the world would look forward to it. Aside from the magazines, Vogue also shows a sneak peek of celebrity lives, how they live, how they dress, where they do their shopping, and even how they make their makeup. To celebrate Vogue's success, they did an interview with 45 celebrities and gathered all their beauty secrets. Face wash. Before doing any makeup on your face, it is always important to keep your face clean. Start with a clean face. You may use whatever face cleanser or facial wash that you want to apply on your face. There are tons of facial wash brands that you can choose from. There are also different types of face washes, such as cleansing oils, scrubs, facial foams, and such. When looking for a face wash, always check if it is compatible with your skin type. There are facial washes that are only for oily skin, dry skin, and such. If you have sensitive skin, make sure to get a facial wash for sensitive skin. This will help you prevent having allergic reactions or further skin reactions. Face mist. Once you have cleansed your face, celebrities recommend to put on face mist. The mist spray will keep your face hydrated and fresh. You can buy face mists in malls, drugstores, or if you want, order online on online shopping sites. The face mist, just like the face wash, must be appropriate to your skin type. There are different types of face mists in the market. Some hydrate, some have other ingredients that provide a natural glow. Face massage. When the mist is already on your face, massage your face a little bit before applying cosmetics. According to science, the face has many cells and tissues that need to be relaxed and massaged regularly. There are face massage tools that you can purchase. There are massage rollers and even machine ones such as battery-operated massage tools. When massaging your face, it is important to go in an upward direction. That way, your face and your skin will be lifted and it will not look soggy. Massaging your face will also keep the blood circulating properly. Facelift. Once you're done massaging your face, apply some facelifting cream on your face. This will lock in your skin from the massage. Facelifts are most often done in derma clinics and face clinics. However, a facelift can be done at home whenever you'll be applying makeup on. This process should be done before putting on any makeup. Face mask and eye gel. After the facelift, it's time to add more moisture to keep your face fully hydrated. Applying face masks and eye gel pads are necessary when prepping your skin. You can use any face mask sheet that you wish. It is best to get a face mask that has collagen in it. Collagen is very beneficial when it comes to skincare. Some also go for Korean face sheet masks because it has been recommended by many for skincare. Whether you have huge dark circles under your eyes or you just want to condition your eyes all the time, eye gel pads are the way to go. The gel pads will help reduce the dark circles forming under your eyes and keeps it in condition. Most eye gel pads need to be chilled in the refrigerator for a couple of minutes for it to be cold once applied to the eyes. The coldness will help you relax as well. Face oil and serums. When you're done with the face masks and eye gels, it's time to prep the skin with face oil and serum. You may opt for either oil or serum, depending on what you want. Put a few drops of face oil or serum on your face and spread it all over. Let it dry after. Moisturizer. A good moisturizer will always make your skin hydrated all the time. There are tons of face moisturizers in the market that you can choose from. You can apply moisturizers from time to time. You can bring a bottle of moisturizer in your purse for reapplication. Foundation. Now that you've cleansed your face thoroughly, you are now ready to put on your makeup. First off, you need to make a base on your face, which means you need to put foundation. There are all sorts of foundation that you can get. There are oil-based foundations, matte, powder, and cream foundations. Foundations also come in all sorts of shades according to one's skin tone. Before, there were only limited foundation shade colors, but now there are over 50 skin tone foundation shades that one can choose from. You don't need to struggle mixing foundation shades to help achieve the perfect one for your skin. If you want to eliminate pores from your skin, you can use a primer foundation first before putting any colored foundation. Primers help smoothen the skin. Also, when applying foundations, you may opt to use a brush, a beauty sponge, or your fingers. If you want full coverage, beauty blenders and sponges will eliminate all pores. Concealer. Next step is applying concealer under your eyes. This will help you conceal the dark circles under your eyes. Not only that, but concealers will also highlight your eye area. Concealer should be a shade lower than your normal tone. You may apply concealer with a sponge or brush. Contour. If you want to emphasize good angles on your face, then contour is the key. Contouring will help you shape your face perfectly. If you have a round face, you can make it angled and look smaller with just the right contour strokes. It lets your face highlight its best features. Contouring helps people to sculpt their faces to make it look more enhanced. Contouring is often mixed up with bronzing. The two are different makeup techniques in terms of application and style, but both encourage face enhancements. There are different ways to contour, and it usually depends on one's face shape. To contour, you need to draw lines from your temple down to your lower cheekbones. Do this step for both sides of your cheeks. You also need to draw a contour line above your forehead, near the hairline. Nose contouring is also a must if you want to make your nose look more in shape. Lastly, draw a line on your chin. Blend the lines using a beauty sponge or brush. Highlighter. Once you're done contouring all the best angles on your face, make your features stand out by applying highlighter. Highlighting your face features will make you look glazed and sparkly. Highlighter should be applied in the brows, cheekbones, and a little bit on the nose and chin area. You can also add your highlighter to the same spots where you applied your contour lines. Make sure to dab enough highlighter to dazzle up your look during the day or night. Blush. Next step is to apply blush. Most celebrities love to put more blush on their cheeks, and there are others that want to keep it natural. When applying blush, you need a bushy brush for you to spread the shade on your cheeks evenly. It is also best to apply blush at a slightly upward and slant angle. The blush should be able to bring your aura to an attractive glow, especially when you smile. Eyeshadow. The human eye is one of the most attractive parts of the face. It is the first thing that most people will notice about you. Thus, it is best to do your eyeshadow right and perfectly. When applying eyeshadow, start with a light shade as a base. Applying eyeshadow should be from the outer part to the inner part of the eye. Choose a shade that you want to apply on your outer eye. After that, proceed to the crease line and fill it in with color. When you are about to apply eyeshadow on the inner part of the eye or the crease area, you can apply concealer or foundation to it for the eyeshadow to stick through. If you plan to use glitters, it is best to base the crease with cream for it to last long on your eye. Eyeliner. Applying eyeliner gives out a noticeable volume to one's eye look. Eyeshadow can make your eyes pretty, but putting a winged eyeliner or lining your inner eyelids with color, it will look more bizarre than ever. There are two types of eyeliner that you can use: liquid eyeliner and pencil eyeliner. Liquid eyeliners are mostly used in the upper part of the eye. A lot of women loved a perfect winged eyeliner, but now everyone can make one. There are tons of techniques that you can follow and use when doing a winged eyeliner. You can use a tape as a tracing. There are also eyeliner tools that you can get. If you don't want to spend money, try to look up some eyeliner hacks that you can do at home. If you want to put eyeliner below your eyelids, a pencil eyeliner is preferable to use. You can also use your eyeshadow shade to line your eyes. This way, you will be able to match your whole eye look with your eyeshadow. Mascara. The last and finishing touch of your eye look is the mascara. Your lashes can help volumize your eyes and make them pop. Using a great and thick mascara is ideal. You can also use false eyelashes if you like. So, curl your lashes, add mascara, and add falsies if you wish. It is also recommended to get a waterproof mascara so it won't smudge. Brows. Whether you have natural and beautiful brows or you depend on brow liners, every brow matters. Doing your brows will depend on how complex your eyebrows are. If you have thin eyebrows, then you will need more time to prep them. You need to outline your brows to make them balanced. Next, fill it in with color. You may use an eyebrow pencil, eyebrow gel, or tint for this step. Lastly, brush the brows in shape. You can also outline the eyebrows with concealer to finish a clean look. Lip scrub. Before putting any lip products such as lipsticks and glosses, it is always best to prep your lips to avoid them being chapped and dry. Applying lip scrub is recommended before any lipstick application. You can buy a lip scrub at beauty shops or even do a homemade one. You can use sugar and honey or whatever combination you wish. Leave the lip scrub for about 5 to 10 minutes and wipe it off. You will now have plumper and softer lips. You can also scrub your lips with a toothbrush. That way it will cover all parts of the lips and remove dead skin cells. Lipstick. Before filling in your lips with lipstick, make an outline first. A lip liner will make your lips look bigger and plumper. Some celebrities that don't have big lips either get lip fillers or do the lip hack. The lip hack is about overlining the lips with lip liner and filling it in from there. Powder. To lock in all the cosmetics you applied, such as the foundation, concealer, and contour, it's always important to put powder on your face. Some people bake their faces while they are doing their brows, eye makeup, or before contouring. But according to celebrities, putting powder should be close to the last step. This will help lock in the makeup for a long time. Hair serum. Now that you're done with your makeup, it's time for the hair. Whether you are putting your hair up in a ponytail or you're leaving it down, it is important to apply hair serum. There are tons of hair serums on the market, but you can also do an organic alternative if you wish. Hair serums keep your hair healthy and shiny all the time. Bonus tip: did you know that you can use your highlighter stick as a lip liner? The highlighter has a glossy effect that will make the lines of your lips look plumper and enhanced. Also, be mindful with hair serums you can find at shops because sometimes hair serums are not legitimately hair serums. It is always best to find a more organic and natural way to keep hair shiny and healthy. And if you don't know, some of these natural regimens can only be found in your home. Cool, right? So that's it, folks. All the makeup steps revealed by famous celebrities in Vogue. Do you have the same makeup routine as them? Or perhaps you have your own makeup ways? Whatever technique or step you follow, if it makes you feel confident and beautiful about yourself, then it is okay. If you think you have something to share about the celebrity makeup secret, let us know in the comment section below. If you think you loved this video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe down below. We have the best and epic videos about beauty hacks, life hacks, and other techniques that will make your life easier and more convenient. Catch us on our next video and we will bring you more mind-blowing content that you will surely love. See you next time, Muse fam!